In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Higgsfield AI UGC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank project to a polished AI-driven UGC video ready to share. First, open the Higgsfield AI website. On the homepage, move your cursor to the video menu at the top, then choose UGC Factory. This opens the UGC Studio where everything happens. Inside the studio, start by clicking Template. Templates give you a ready-made structure for your scene so you don't have to build from scratch. Next, explore the key panels in the left side workflow. Click Image to prepare where your avatar's photo will go. Click Action to plan how the avatar will move or emote. Click Audio Text to see where your voiceover script will live. Click Audio Settings so you know where to fine-tune sound later. And click Background to set the environment for your video. For now, head back to Template, pick a layout you like, select it with Choose Here, and click Next to confirm. Now add your avatar. Click Upload Avatar, select a clear front-facing image from your computer, and click Open. Aim for good lighting and a sharp, unobstructed face. It makes lip sync and expressions look more natural. When it's in place, click Next. Describe the action. In the action field, write a concise direction for movement and expression, such as subtle head nod, friendly smile, or speaking with calm confidence. Specific but simple instructions work best. Click Next to continue. Enter your audio text. This is the exact script your avatar will speak. Keep sentences short and conversational, and add punctuation so pacing and emphasis sound human. If your brand has key phrases, include them here. When you're happy, click Next. Choose a voice type. Select the tone and style that fit your message, such as warm, authoritative, or energetic. Consistency with your brand helps your video feel cohesive. Click Next to lock it in. Add background sound. A gentle bed of music can elevate your piece, but keep it subtle so it doesn't compete with the voice. If you preview and it feels too loud, return to audio settings to balance levels. When everything looks and sounds right, click Generate. Higgsfield will process your choices and produce the video. Rendering time varies with length and complexity, so give it a moment. When the preview appears, watch it through, check lip sync, and confirm audio clarity. If needed, make small edits and regenerate. That's it, your AI UGC video is ready to download and share.